today we are going to do a constellation for Sherry, and it's going to be for a tree on Sherry's property.
I'm calling the tree Sad Tree because that's how I feel when I'm around it. I can feel it's sad. And my intention is for it to heal. The diagnosis of the tree is that its immune system was weakened by the drought, and then it was attacked by the golden boar beetles.
So what you would like is for the tree to be able to heal.
Yes.
I'm going to write down the name of the tree and write down your name on 2 pieces of paper, and then we're going to pick one, not knowing who we are.
Okay.
And then we start from there.
Okay. Yep.
This is how we're going to start. We're going to find a place.
Mm-hmm.
We don't have much of a relationship right now, right?
Right.
Like, you can't look at me and...
The tree didn't have any of those human emotions. You know, it's just love.
That's what I'm saying. You know, when I was you, there was this total merge.
Right.
But it was the guilt of the human species. The trees don't have that guilt.
Right. Right.
And the tree is like a total empath because it's just a vessel. And it's like when we purged those emotions, there was clarity and we could look at each other. It's interesting because all of those feelings were actually getting in the way of the tree healing.
Yes. Yes.
Right?
I don't feel that feeling of sadness that it had.
You don't feel the feeling of sadness?
It feels like a tree now. I mean, it just feels neutral. It doesn't feel, I don't feel that emotion around it. When I look at this tree now, I see it. I see the live. I used to look at it and all I could see was the dead. And now I look at it and I see the live. So that's a shift, right? That's a difference in how I'm looking at the tree. This tree's name is Hope.